Oh no. I can't believe it. It's so beautiful. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to work on this project. It's a small project, but I think it will be worth it and it will make a huge impact on this space. I'll be painting this door pink, and I'll be also adding some trim so it adds a little bit more interest. Right now it's a plain door and I want to make it more interesting because it is our basically front door that we see and use every day. So join me on this journey. I did do a picture wall molding on our wall in dining room. So I'm hoping this project will not take as long and it will not be as hard since I have some experience now. So it should make it a little bit easier. And again, I will measure twice everything, so I have to redo the cutting again. Currently editing Hanny here. Spoiler alert, I made the same mistake again. So let's get into the video. I'm so excited. I put up some paint samples from Bear. It took us around 2 weeks to decide on our 2 favorite ones. Can you guess which 2 samples did we narrow it down to? Let me get the paints. Okay, let me get the paints. So these are the 2 paints that we'll be sampling today. So hopefully it will look good. So then we can buy a full one for the door and transform this into a pink beauty. Let's open it up. How it looks. Oh no. Okay. I need to put gloves. I think something is melting inside this because I can see, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's been super hot these days, so maybe that's why. But let's try this one. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm not sure if I'm liking it. Let's try the other one too. Okay, let's try the other one. First coat, it looks great. But I'm not sure about that pink. So let's see this one. Please don't be melted. Oh, it's not melted. The silver strawberry might be too pink. I'm not sure if there's such a thing as a true pink, but I think it's too light pink. I'm not sure if I'm liking it. I definitely do not like the light pink, the silver strawberry. No. We'll see.
Dad. Oh, it's up or what?
I know I should have taken off the hardware to make it easier on me. However, I was not confident enough to take the keypad off as it has a battery attached to it on the other side of the door. Pink, do you like it? I am sanding little bumps and imperfections before applying a second coat of paint. I am cutting 8 pieces of trim using a miter box. I chose a PVC material for the trim. I noticed it was denting easily during the cutting, so I might use wood next time for better durability. Excuse my messy appearance. I just finished cutting all the trim for the door, but oh my god, isn't this beautiful? The pink is so beautiful. I love it. I was so worried at first when I put the first coat. I was like, I'm not sure if I love it. Then I put the second coat just a few hours ago, and it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can't believe how pretty it is. I don't know if I want to leave it as it is because I love it so much, or if I really want to put the trim around the door. I'm not sure yet. I'm not going to be painting the trim pink. The walls, for some reason, I like it right now. The little leaves make it very magical. I feel like it makes it very whimsical, like, you know, you're entering a whimsical world. So I think I'm gonna leave it for now. I can always paint it over if I want to, but right now I think I just love the whole thing. I messed up the calculations. So my calculations were incorrect. It is way too long. So I will need to cut it shorter, all 6 pieces. I'm not sure where the measurements went wrong, but let's just cut it shorter. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I made the same mistake like I did with the wall molding trim. I made the same mistakes about measuring, and I thought I learned from them. I guess I did not. Okay, let's cut it shorter. Okay, I cut it shorter. I think I cut it shorter by 1.5 inches or inch. Please let it fit. Time to cut it shorter. I think that should be good enough. I will have to paint around the keypad a little bit more. Door of my dreams. The pink is just absolutely stunning. I love how the door looks with this color. I think we're gonna leave the door as it is right now and live with it for a few weeks, and then I will see if I want to add the trim, since I can always add it. But for right now, it's so beautiful. I can't believe it. Just simple coat of paint, well, 2 coats of paint, and this is just so beautiful. Every time I come home, I'm just like, I can't believe it. So I just taped the trim on the door temporarily to see how it would look on the door. Let me know in the comments below if you would add the trim or not. I would love to know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Naskadano. You look so